Today I'm going to demonstrate for you how I make the bases for my mirrors. I don't use pre-made mirrors because making my own bases allows me to make whatever size and shape I want and gives me I can get a nice wide border. If you try to use an already made up mirror, I used to use these IKEA mirrors, and you can see they're in pieces, they're glued together at each corner and mass produced using probably cheap materials. And so when you get done with this, if this contracts or gets bumped or something and these seams start to come apart, it's going to be a disaster for your mosaic. The first thing that I need to do is set off for a trip to Home Depot. Okay, I'm here at Home Depot and I'm in the section that has the panels of MDF board. This piece is 24 inches square and 1/4 inch thick. So I'll have 4 12-inch pieces. Now this thickness is just about right for what I'm doing here. Too thick and it becomes too heavy to hang on the wall. Too thin and you could possibly have some problems with stability. So Sean here is going to cut this piece of board into 4 pieces for me. I have these cut here because it's just easier, cleaner, and faster than if I did this at home, and they do not charge for this. Okay, so while Sean was busy cutting my boards, I went around Home Depot and got a few other things I need. This mastic or tile adhesive here, and sanded grout, and most importantly, hanging hardware. Get the good large D-ring hangers and pick up a new roll of picture wire, heavy-duty picture wire, just to be on the safe side. So when I get the boards home, I set up a spot in my backyard. This is on high speed again for some reason. I don't know how I keep doing that. Spray the backs and the sides with your spray paint, and then you've got your finishing done right then and there. So you place your D-rings on your piece about 1/3 of the way down. And be sure and do your starter holes. And then immediately write the word top on the top of your piece, because if you forget and start and you make your top here or here, and then you go to hang it up and this is sideways, that's a bad thing, because it's really hard to remove the hardware and redo it once the front of a mosaic has been done. So for the mirror part of my project, I get these are actually candle plates, and you can get these in various places. Mine I get from Hobby Lobby, and they have this nice beveled edge here. And then I remove these little pads on the bottom. Kitty, you gotta go, honey. Okay, so here's my piece here, and I'm going to put down my mirror piece with the pads removed and place it like so, and then measure the borders. Try to make them straight. These should be 4-inch borders. And that's a nice wide space. You don't have to put your mirror right in the center. You can put it more towards the top or the bottom. Then I'm going to put my mastic down. And I've got this piece placed on a towel to allow a cushion for the back pieces I have back there. All the way to the edges. And then use your fork to put in some texturing so that the bond is better. You don't need a whole lot, but you really want to make sure that the mirror is sturdy. Then I just start putting this down. This takes a little while. If you get any mastic on your mirror, get it cleared off right away. And you don't have to do this, make a mirror out of these pieces. You can just do wall hangings. Go on now, kitty. Don't worry about this glass breaking. It is fairly solid. Okay, so I now have a nice solid piece to use here. While you're working, protect your mirror surface so that you don't scratch it all up. So that's about all there is to it. I'll wait until the very last to put my picture wire on. Thanks for watching, and let me know if you have any questions.